Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and this is long overdue. This is an amazing storage unit. At first, when I unboxed it, I didn't know what was inside. I have several Amazon boxes in my home right now, and I am so grateful that when I opened it, it was what I needed. So I hope you enjoy this video, and while you're watching, I'm kitting up using that storage unit. So pay special attention. Maybe it's the one for you. I'll see you in a few. Okay, so sometimes you just have to break out something that's fun, and this is my pig mermaids. I started this at the retreat, and now it's my project I'm working on as I'm getting used to having baby in the house because I can stop and start on it. But I am going crazy because I don't have these in any storage units, and it's driving me up the wall. And I am so glad to finally be unboxing this. It has been too long, and I'm hoping what's in here is the storage unit that I'm thinking of. If not, this video is going to go in a completely different direction, but you get to see it without the edited version. Yes, it is, it is, it is. Look at this, isn't it beautiful? Tia, it's got butterflies. Yes, so this is an amazing storage unit, and I will put the link down below where I got this. I mean, it was off of Amazon, but as far as what Amazon store, I'm super psyched. Okay, so this is R and me for RecordArme Professional Diamond Painting Toolkit. So on the back, it shows you what's included, and then they've X'd out what's not included. So you get the box with 60 bottles, a pen, 2 non-slip pads, funnel, 2 big plates with brush and partitions. They call it clay, but this wax, you get 100 bags, 4 3-placers, 3 4-place tips, 3 7-place tips, and 3 10-place tips, some metal tweezers. All right, then they have the Instagram here. So let's open this and see what we've got in here. I'm super excited. OMG. Okay, so we got little labels. And here's the 60, and I love these deeper ones. They hold a lot more in it, and I can't wait to throw these colors in. Let's see what else is in here. I'm going to turn this around. So you've got the funnel. I'm not crazy. Let me see. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay, I am wrong. I thought it was going to be like a sticky silicone. I haven't gotten the gist of how to use these yet, but let's try this out. All right, so I've got this huge bag of 699s. I'm going to pour it in the funnel. Look at that. Whoop. Too much. Too much. Woo, too much. Aren't you glad this is unedited so you can laugh at me? All right. That's why I like that there's 60 containers, because I will probably double up or triple up on this 669. And I will be cleaning this up a little bit later. Do as I say, not as I do. I hope you got a little good laugh. This is what happens behind the scenes. If I were to edit this, I would have like these amazing little, you know, blooper clips. All right, so here's the little sticky pads, which I need to start using. They are sticky. I like to use these when I'm working on my easel because they keep my tray from falling You get 2 of them. And then you've got your tweezers. This is an actually pretty cool pack. All right, so here's one tray. Here's your baggies. And then here's the other tray. Now it said it had partitions, but I don't see, oh, there they are. So these partitions have the little hooks on them so they can go on the sides. Let's see how this works. All right, you gotta really, I like plexiglass. I mean, the concept is good, but it's not working. Not working. All right, let's see if it works on this one. So this one, it fits. The blue one, it doesn't fit. They're pretty sturdy. I'm not a big fan of the partitions, and I'll tell you why. Because if I get different colors on both sides, and I'm done with the color that's on this side and want to empty it, I don't know how to empty it, right? So I normally don't use partitions. I'm going to put these drills, though, that I spilt everywhere over in this so I don't lose them. Off camera, I know. All right, but the partitions are there. I probably will never use them, but they're there in case you want to use them. And then look at these. These are pretty nice. So these are acrylic pens, and they put 4 placers on one side and single placers on the other. Those are pretty nice pens. This one's hefty. This one has a different, like they're different shaped. Pretty nice pens. And then here's your wax. And here's your multi-placers. Not bad. R&B, not bad at all. Yep. So I think the only thing I wouldn't use would be the partitions on the trays. I think I could do without those, but I understand where they're coming from. And I don't use the funnel a lot, but I know other people do. So that might be an option. And these trays have a pull down, which to me, I don't know how well that works. I will probably clip that off and just have an opening and not worry about it closing, but that's me because I'm super weird about trays. But they do close, and the blue one does as well. So you get 2 trays, and these trays stack, which is really nice. They're stackable trays. And let me pour this back in here. All right, so now my spillage is done. Oh, there's more in here. See, oh my goodness, the bloopers keep coming. This is another reason I'm not a big fan of the funnel, because they stick on me. I know some people love the funnels. Don't be a hater. But maybe I'll give my funnel away to somebody who loves funnels. So I'm going to close him back down, stick him in here. I'm going to stick my baggies in here. And I love that it has this little, the only thing is I wish it had a strap with Velcro, so you could make sure Velcro is closed. Otherwise, I feel like things fall out. I'm going to put the product list in here so I remember. And then we close it up. And look at those beautiful butterflies. Another thing that would be awesome is if when they make this, if they want to ever upgrade, is to put some sort of clear, like they do on suitcases, some sort of clear thing right here so you could put in what project is inside here. Because if you have multiple projects and you get a couple of these, you're not going to be able to put a sticker on here because of the fabric, and you're going to get confused of what's in here. So that's, you know, that's an upgradable thing. That's not anything wrong with this. So check out this company. Again, the link is down below. This is RecordArme, RecordArme. And it's beautiful. I love it. I love it. They give you exactly what they advertise. So I'm going to take this blooper clip out of here, and I'm going to kit up the rest of my mermaid pigs. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.